Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a major question dividend investors are asking right now: should you dump SCHD for a better ETF like QDVO? SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, has been a darling for income investors for years. But recently, newer funds like QDVO, the Amplify CWP Growth and AMP Income ETF, are gaining serious traction for their hybrid growth and income approach. So, in this video, we'll break down both ETFs, compare their performance, yield, strategy, and long-term outlook to see which one truly deserves a spot in your portfolio. Grab your coffee, this is a full, in-depth 8-minute analysis you don't want to miss. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Let's start with SCHD. SCHD has built its reputation as one of the most reliable dividend ETFs in the market. It tracks the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, focusing on high-quality companies with consistent dividend growth. Key facts: expense ratio, 0.06%, dividend yield, around 3.5%, top holdings, Broadcom, Texas Instruments, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Merck. Focus, dividend growth, not just high yield. SCHD's selection process emphasizes strong fundamentals, cash flow, return on equity, and consistent dividend history. It avoids speculative stocks and sticks to high-quality names. It's like the steady ship of dividend investing: reliable, consistent, and simple. But in 2024 and 2025, many investors noticed SCHD's performance started to lag behind broader market ETFs like SPY or QQQ, which led some to explore alternatives like QDVO. QDVO, or the Amplify CWP Growth and AMP Income ETF, is a newcomer with a fresh strategy. Launched in 2024, QDVO aims to provide growth plus income through a combination of equity exposure and an active covered call overlay. Fund overview: expense ratio, 0.85%, dividend yield, around 7% 10%, depending on market conditions, actively managed by CWP, known for tactical risk management and option overlay strategies. Objective: total return from capital appreciation and income. Unlike SCHD, which simply tracks an index, QDVO takes an active approach. It tries to capture upside from quality growth stocks while generating income through option premiums. So the big question is, can this active plus high income model really beat SCHD's simplicity? SCHD is purely passive. It doesn't try to time the market or rotate sectors, it just holds the best dividend growers and rebalances annually. QDVO, on the other hand, is active. It can adjust allocations, implement covered calls, and shift exposure between growth and value stocks based on market signals. This flexibility could give QDVO an advantage in volatile or sideways markets, generating income even when prices stagnate. However, the higher expense ratio, 0.85% versus SCHD's 0.06%, means investors must believe that QDVO's management adds enough value to justify the cost. Let's talk dividends, the main attraction for both ETFs. SCHD's yield of about 3.5% is moderate but reliable. It's backed by stable companies with sustainable payout ratios. Its dividend growth rate has been strong, averaging 12% plus per year for much of the past decade. QDVO, meanwhile, is playing in a different league. Its yield can reach 8 to 10%. That's massive, but it's largely driven by the covered calls strategy. Covered calls generate income from selling options, but they also cap upside potential. So, while you may collect higher cash flow, your total return could be limited during bull markets. This is the core trade-off. SCHD equals steady dividend growth, more upside potential. QDVO equals higher immediate income, less capital growth. Let's compare returns. Over the last decade, SCHD has averaged around 11% annualized returns, with strong dividend reinvestment power. QDVO doesn't have a long history yet, but based on simulations and its underlying strategies, its total returns could range between 9%–11% if managed well. However, that depends heavily on market volatility, since covered call strategies thrive when markets move sideways. In a bull market, SCHD's growth-oriented holdings tend to outperform because they aren't capped. But in a choppy or range-bound market, QDVO's option income can keep total returns more stable. SCHD leans heavily on industrials, financials, technology, and healthcare. It's broadly diversified across stable US blue-chip names. QDVO tends to tilt toward large-cap growth and tech, with holdings like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia often appearing, combined with option overlays to extract income. This gives QDVO a tech-income hybrid flavor, ideal for investors who want exposure to growth companies but still crave strong income. Risk is where these two funds differ dramatically. SCHD has low volatility and strong downside protection. Its drawdowns during market corrections are usually smaller than the S&P 500. QDVO, while actively managed, carries option strategy risk and manager risk. If volatility spikes or covered calls are poorly timed, returns can fluctuate sharply. Another key factor is tax efficiency. SCHD's qualified dividends are tax-friendly, while QDVO's option income could include short-term gains, which are less tax-efficient. So depending on your tax bracket and investment goals, SCHD may still have the upper hand for long-term taxable accounts. Let's summarize who each ETF is best suited for. SCHD is for you if you want a long-term, low-cost, stable dividend ETF. You prefer passive investing. You care about dividend growth and compounding. You want simplicity and proven track record. QDVO is for you if you want higher monthly income. You're okay with active management and higher fees. You don't mind capped upside. You like the idea of growth plus income using options. So the decision really depends on your priorities. Income now or growth later. So, should you dump SCHD for QDVO? Probably not entirely. But it might make sense to blend them. SCHD could form the core of your dividend portfolio, reliable, stable, and growing over time. QDVO could serve as a satellite income booster, giving you high yield exposure without replacing the foundation. In investing, balance is key. SCHD brings the discipline, QDVO brings the income flair. Together, they might actually complement each other beautifully. So before dumping SCHD, think of QDVO as a partner, not a replacement. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a fellow investor.